In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a time picker in Google Sheets. While Sheets doesn't come with a built-in time picker, you can make a clean, reliable one in a minute using dropdowns. It's perfect for tracking shifts, logging calls, or building checklists without ever typing a colon. I'll walk you through creating the picker, styling it so it reads like a dashboard, and keeping flexibility for those moments when you need something like 8:15 instead of a preset slot. Start by highlighting the cells where you want people to choose a time. This can be a single column, a range, or your entire schedule grid. Right-click anywhere in that selection and choose Dropdown. That opens the data validation panel on the right. In the options list, enter the time slots you use most. For example, you might add 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and 10 a.m., and keep going for the rest of your standard intervals. Enter them exactly as you want them to appear. This gives you a clean menu of consistent times, which keeps your sheet accurate and prevents typos or mismatched formats. To give it that polished, professional look, assign a distinct color to each option. Next to every time you add, pick a color that helps the eye scan quickly. Mornings one shade, midday another, evenings a third. When you're done, your cells will show a tidy drop-down chip with both the label and its color. Now, when you or your team click a cell, you simply pick a time from the list, and the cell fills with the right time and color, making the whole sheet easier to read at a glance. This is especially helpful on busy schedules, because patterns and gaps jump out immediately. If you want the convenience of presets but still need the freedom to enter a specific minute, use the advanced options and choose Show a Warning. This keeps your drop-down visible and functional while allowing you to type a custom time, like 8:15 when needed. Sheets will flag that it's outside the list, but it won't block you. It's the best of both worlds. Fast selection most of the time, and precise input when the schedule calls for it. That's it. Custom, colorful, and fast. You've just built a time picker that cuts down on typing, eliminates format errors, and makes your schedule pop. Try it on your shifts, logs, or any time-based tracker, and enjoy smoother data entry with fewer mistakes. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you work smarter in Sheets, hit that follow button for more honest, practical tips.